Hey guys, how we doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So we got some movement in the Bitcoin price, which is good. So 15-minute DMT actually took a long trade, which pretty quickly I think went for about 1%. Sorry, 1%. Pretty quickly went for basically over 2.5% profit. So that is good to see. I didn't actually have this DMT long bot turned on. I was actually out of my short position, having orders in to reshort. So I've been filled just under 7,100 and then just under 7,200. So I didn't want to have the long bots on because I think we breaking down. I did expect to spike up, which is why I got out of my short. And now I'm just re-entering that short. But the DMT trade was a good one, so it would have been a really good trade to have taken. Similarly, the 25-minute Dominator, it has had a few not very good trades. After obviously having that great sell, it had a buy here, which pretty much wasn't a buy, and a sell here, which wasn't a great level to sell either. But this buy probably got you at least most of that loss back if you were running this bot, which again I wasn't. I didn't have the long bots on or the short bots on because I'm working the short position anyway. So there we go. Over to Ethereum. Ethereum 15-minute DMT took a buy trade also pretty much the same time. And then that spiked up to pretty much exactly literally almost an identical amount of profit. And the 15-minute Ethereum Dominator took a buy around this level here, and then that went up about nearly 3.5%, not far off 3.5%. So yeah, but again that did have not a good sell there and not a great buy there. So yeah. So obviously we're waiting for the CME to open later on this evening. We're even at this level, we're gonna have a gap. So I mean that was partly the reason I think I explained yesterday why I was gonna work out of my position, because I think we will at least have an attempt upwards, potentially to fill the CME gap. If not, I just thought we'd maybe have a move upwards anyway, because I don't particularly trust weekend price action. So there we go. We'll see what happens. So I'm currently back in my short 50% of the position size. I've got orders. My other orders are actually high 7,200s and then mid 7,300s. So we'll see what happens. I think it's the 7,300 where we about closed the CMEs on Friday. So there we go. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Everyone should always do their own research. Yep. So thanks for watching this video, guys. And yeah, I'll speak to you guys tomorrow. So hopefully, yeah, we'll get some good action. I'll speak to you guys tomorrow.